Good evening, students. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the physical properties of alcohols and phenol. Now, the physical properties of alcohols and phenols, they are mainly depend on your hydroxy group, because you know the compound containing hydroxy group with alkyl substituent is known as your alcohol, while the compound containing hydroxy group with your aryl substituent is known as your phenol, because this group is your aryl group. So let us discuss the first physical properties, that is your boiling point. Alcohols and phenols have higher boiling point than the hydrocarbon, ether, aldehyde, ketones, amines, alkyl halide, or haloarenes of comparable molar masses. Now the question is, why alcohols and phenols have higher boiling point? The answer is, it is due to the presence of strong intermolecular hydrogen bond in alcohols and phenols. Because there is a strong intermolecular hydrogen bond in your alcohols and phenols, therefore alcohols and phenols have relatively higher boiling point than your hydrocarbon, ether, aldehyde, ketones or amines. For example, if we consider alcohol like this, now this alcohol, this will form a hydrogen bond with another mole of alcohol. So this hydrogen bond is your intermolecular hydrogen bond. Similarly, there will be intermolecular hydrogen bond in case of your phenol. Say this is your one molecule of phenol, while this is your another molecule of phenol. Now there is a hydrogen bond between this hydrogen and this oxygen. So due to the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bond both in alcohol and phenol, they have your higher boiling point. Now the boiling point will increase. Boiling point will increase as the number of carbon increases. It will increase as the number of carbon increases. कहता है कार्बन नंबर इंक्रीज करेगा इनका तो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इंक्रीज करेगा. ऑब्वियस है, अगर आप कार्बन नंबर इंक्रीज करोगे there will be increase in your molecular mass, and if increase in molecular mass there will be increase in your van der Waals force, that is the magnitude of intermolecular hydrogen bond, and that's why your boiling point will increase. Now in case of isomeric alcohols, in case of isomeric alcohols, as the branching increases, surface area, as the branching increases, surface area will decrease, and therefore the magnitude of van der Waals force, will decrease, and if you know the magnitude of van der Waals force will decrease, therefore the boiling point will decrease. For example, if we have a compound like C4H9OH, that is your butyl alcohol. Now this butyl alcohol is your normal butyl alcohol. ये नॉर्मल ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल भी हो सकता है, लाइक CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH. ये आपको सेकेंडरी ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल भी हो सकता है. इट मे बी योर सेक ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल. सेक ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल मीन्स CH3 CHOH CH2 and CH3. ये आपको टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल भी हो सकता है. दिस मे बी योर 3 डिग्री और टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल. तो क्या होगा इन केस ऑफ टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल, द सरफेस एरिया विल बी लोएस्ट, और सरफेस एरिया कम होने से आपका मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वैन डर वाल्स फोर्स कम जाएगा, और यदि मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वैन डर वाल्स फोर्स कम जाएगा means your boiling point will be less. Now let us consider an example which is given in our NCERT book. For example, we have a compound like your ethyl alcohol. Now see this ethyl alcohol, it has a molar mass of 46, but your boiling point is 351 Kelvin. That is given in your book. Second is your dimethyl ether. This dimethyl ether, it has molar mass 46, it has a boiling point 248 Kelvin, and if we consider it is your propane, the molar mass 44, but the boiling point is your 231 Kelvin. तो आप यहाँ पर देखिए कि तीनों का मोलर मास ऑलमोस्ट जो है वो ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, बट द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ अल्कोहल इज वेरी मच large. क्यों भाई ज़्यादा है? आपने देखा because in this case there is a strong intermolecular hydrogen bond. Now the next physical properties is your solubility. Solubility. So right, the lower member of alcohol, the lower member of alcohols and phenols are completely soluble in water, are completely soluble in water. Now the question is why they are completely soluble in water? As they form a strong intermolecular hydrogen bond, as they form a strong intermolecular hydrogen bond with water. For example, this is your alcohol. ये आपका एल्कोहल है. तो भाई ये जब एल्कोहल है, if you put in water, it form a strong intermolecular hydrogen bond. It may be of this type. Now there is also a possibility. There is also a possibility that we have alcohol. यहाँ पे lone pair है. Now they may form hydrogen bond like this. ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि अल्कोहल का ऑक्सीजन इस हाइड्रोजन के साथ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बना ले. एंड द सेम इज ट्रू फॉर योर फेनॉल. भाई फेनॉल में यही डिफरेंस होता है कि यहाँ जो आपने एलिफेटिक यानी जो अल्काइल ग्रुप आपने लिया है, दिस अल्काइल इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय योर फिनाइल ग्रुप. फिनाइल मीन्स C6H5. However, what happens as the size of the alkyl group increases, as the size of alkyl group increases, your solubility decreases. जैसे जैसे ये अल्काइल ग्रुप का आप साइज बढ़ा दीजिएगा, क्योंकि अल्काइल ग्रुप जो होता है ये आपको हाइड्रोफोबिक होता है. हाइड्रोफोबिक का मतलब ये हुआ कि ये वाटर के समीप, वाटर के नजदीक नहीं जाना चाहता है. और जब ये वाटर के नजदीक नहीं जाएगा तो नेचुरली है कि इसका जो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड होगा वो कमजोर होता जाएगा. सो एज द साइज ऑफ योर अल्काइल ग्रुप इंक्रीजेस, द हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड फॉर्म इज आइदर वीक or it will not be formed, and that's why solubility will decrease as the size will increase. However, you know, whatever be the size, alcohol and phenols, they are completely soluble in your organic solvent, because you know like dissolve like. Thank you.